remember how to breathe. I was like, ugh.
What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Kicks coming at you live from the Shoe Palace. What's on the feet? Yeah, you got the SBs. All right, fun fact. I have like probably maybe 60 pair of shoes, maybe more, maybe a little bit less. And I have a rotation of like maybe 10 that I wear all the time. Like the other ones I just don't wear. It's not because I want to collect them and I don't want to wear them. It's just like they're not neutral colors. I don't know. I just don't wear them. Anyways, how we doing, guys? How we doing? You guys see the title, man. Today's gonna be crazy. So since we've been having this weird ass weather in California where it's raining every week, I decided to do all 5 ride-alongs today. Obviously, I'm not gonna be doing any ride-alongs in this car in the rain unless you guys wanna go to the cemetery with me. So in other words, we're gonna have to get this out of the way. Today's forecast was A1, so I figured I would just plan it out for today. I already talked to all the guys and today works with their schedule. So I'm just gonna be kind of bouncing around here and there. So I have 3 people in the IE area and then there's 2 people in the OC area. Knock on carbon fiber. Hopefully this bitch is gonna be good to me today because we are going to be beating the shit out of her just a little bit. So yeah, man, we got a hectic one today. I am not mentally or physically prepared for it, but it's cool. The weather couldn't be better. Damn, that's more bars. I might as well just start rapping, bro. Might as well. Most of these rappers got ghostwriters anyway, so. All right, gonna be meeting the first guy here. I'm gonna get the GoPro set up. I'm gonna see if he's even cool with being on video first. I gotta ask him, you know. I'm not gonna like start filming him and you know what I mean? They don't wanna be on video. So if he's cool with being on video, I'll record it, get his little reaction, and we're gonna be on to the next. All right, crazy. So I was just chilling here and the dude pulled up. He's like, man, no way. Like, I just seen you online on YouTube and shit. He's from Texas, so he was like tripping out right now. He was like, nah, this is crazy. But yeah, man, my dumb ass. I told the guy Tuesday, not Monday. All the other people were good for today, but I told the other dude Tuesday, I don't know why. But I'm meeting the other dude in 15 minutes, so it works out. My boy pulled up in the Newsy. To be honest, I didn't even know he had this. I thought he had like a 370. Sick ass fool. Damn. I thought you had like a 370. Oh, no. Very nice, very nice. Got the new soup and this. I'm trying to be like you when I get older.
Does it ever get like old? Like everyone like, oh my god, that's fresh kids.
Nah, man, I mean, it's all love, bro.
Yeah.
I've never had anyone in person ever say anything negative.
Yeah.
Like, they always just been chill and cool, like, happy to see me and shit.
That's so
you know, I go with the vibes. Got all the merch, too, shit.
Oh, every single drop.
That's crazy.
Every single drop I've bought, everything. I think I've only like missed one shirt.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. It's like a roller coaster. Wow.
I can listen to that Flutter all day long.
100%. That's so sick.
It's something else.
Wow.
Shit hits different.
I've never felt anything close to that.
All right, man. What are your thoughts?
Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. I'm gonna get in this thing and I'm gonna be like disappointed.
He's gonna sell this for a Nismo now and do a turbo kit on it. Mock my words. That's sick though. But yeah, if you guys are interested, he's actually selling this. He said cash him out. So if you guys are looking for the new Z, how many miles? 300. That thing ain't even broke in yet. Damn. I do like the interior though. I can't lie. It's set up like nicely. It's like how a Z should be, you know?
Yeah, 100%. All modern.
How's the screen display been? Like any like lag or weird shit?
The camera, the backup camera, I will say, has been really odd. Like, it's just, it glitches out, and it literally looks like a Minecraft block. My Supra just popping.
Alright guys, first ride along is knocked out. So we are currently on the way to OC area. Got 2 ride alongs out there, so I'm gonna go knock those out and then heading back towards over here. Got another ride along. Going crazy today, man. There's no way I ran into him again. No way. I don't know, I can't tell if it's him or not. It looks the same. It wasn't him. It's another one. Where's your Tommy, sir?
You must turn so many heads at lights, huh?
Yeah. I mean, like people that are into cars, you know.
Well, yeah, for
People
sure.
that aren't into cars is kind of whatever, but
There's
car
like
guys
that
for
there.
sure. Be like,
Yeah.
Why does this dude got this big ass tire on the thing? Why does it sound like that?
They probably did something wrong with it. It's not running
Right?
right. God damn, that shit was tough.
Like, well, he's about to take off.
No,
Wow.
literally.
Should be having me like not breathing for a couple seconds.
I thought it was just me for a second. I was like, is that normal? Like, I don't know, man. It feels like a roller coaster for real. I'm like at lost for words type. Like I was just crazy.
I was like, and it's been real quiet over there.
Nah, it's just crazy.
Taking it all in, like what the
Yeah,
fuck?
nah, no, you weren't kidding. It makes you want to be boosted VQ for sure.
All right. Ride along number 2 down. Got the 3rd guy on the way. It's crazy how I made all this shit work today.
A few minutes later.
Just ride around and do that shit all day.
I wouldn't get tired of it.
Yeah, love it. You do this shit too.
Yeah.
I don't fucking know
all
why,
day.
bro. Like I don't know why. It's like I have ADD, so I think it helps my ADD. It's weird as fuck. Like I don't even notice that I do it.
No?
Like I'll be like watching my videos and shit. And I'll be like, damn, I really was wiggling this shit like the whole time.
Yeah, I'd be doing it. My girl would be like, man, you do that shit all the time.
I don't know. It's scary as fuck. It's like a fucking Mando thing.
What is it, automatic?
Damn near.
traction.
Alright guys, just knocked out the third ride along. And of course, traffic. Got G80 though. What's up, dog? I'm burnt, man. Tired. But yeah, we got one more tomorrow and we good. Got them all knocked out. So I should be to the next guy in about an hour. Alright guys, we made it here. Last ride along of the day. I am freaking tired, bro. Sheesh.
Shit swings easy, boss. That shit or what?
Just randomly got spotted. He was over there getting gas. He pulled up like, yo, what the fuck? It's like, I knew I would see you. Shit. Whoa, champ. Whoa, champ. I hear a VQ. Where are you, sir? Where's your Tome? That doesn't sound like a Tome, sir. I know you see me. Damn, Slam Boys. Boy, HR swapped it. Look at that front. Look at that front fitment though. Sheesh, with the camera. I love how camber looks on the front of Z's, bro. It should look so good with a nice wheel. Got spotted again. It's out here getting spotted.
That was the fastest car you've been in.
Z06 actually.
Yeah. Spotted?
No, it was stock.
Stock one. C7 or C6?
No, C6. It was C6.
Oh yeah, stock Z06. That's wait for its time. Things move when you do like full bolt-on cams. Mine was pretty quick. Shit made 603.
Oh yeah, yeah.
For a fucking NA, that shit was moving. They're light. Sounds like you love up.
For real, it does. Now I can see why it's not your favorite.
I don't know what to do, bro. It's like, I can't fucking top it. I'm dead, bro. It's all day, bro. I get this shit all day long. It's just crazy.
That's funny.
Anytime someone runs into me, it's either a fucker or
A
fucking
fucker.
is that Tommy dog. Like one or the other.
That's funny.
They never say anything else.
The next morning.
Alright, y'all see this, right? Look like I ain't got no gas. Did 123 miles. So I know I still got at least like 6-7 gallons. See? I be telling y'all. There are about 7-8 gallons in there still. Y'all be like, bro, you need gas. I don't need gas. My shit just fucked up. See that? That's what it shows when I got a full tank. That's the fastest car you've been in.
Hellcat.
Okay. They're fun cars. It's got a lot of power. Blow tire.
Yeah, that's why I want to get one because them shits get stolen.
Yeah, they do be stealing them like a motherfucker.
Like them Honda Civics. I'm like,
They're
yeah.
walking up to your shit with a little device, unlock, gone.
Yeah, they go into your little thing, they pull up that little parking brake thing.
Stealing them motherfuckers like Honda.
Thought we were going to space real quick.
Man.
We space cadet. I know, I kind of stopped for a minute. I had to remember how to breathe. I was like, ugh.
All right, guys, just knocked out the last ride along. Whew! I want to give a special shout out to my car. She did very well and not a single issue. She's good. So, shout out to Soul. Gotta blame the tune for that one, because, you know, if we had another tune, I ain't gonna say no names. I'm gonna blew the fuck up already. Well, guys, there it is. That was my past 2 days. Z made it back to the Shoe Palace in one piece. Didn't break anything. She's still 100. Probably within the next 2 months, we're gonna have another drop. So stay tuned, man. I might be doing something cool for that one as well. Appreciate you guys for tuning in like always, man. Drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Catch you guys in the next video.